soft brioche, creamy burrata, warm honey, and bright citrus. A dish built on balance, texture, and quiet luxury. Welcome to Culinary Museum by Chef Mohamed Abdell. Simple ingredients, refined execution. Brioche burrata with honey citrus, elegance just speak softly. Follow Culinary Museum. So first step, we cut the brioche loaf. Then we cut the bread with the cutter. Then we spread the butter on top. For 180 degrees. Now we do the burrata cheese. Open the burrata. We mix it. Then we add lime zest on it, lemon, and orange, black pepper, sea salt, and we mix all together. This is brioche. So the brioche is ready now. Then we just put the ring on it. So we shape everything on top. So now burrata on top. Then just drizzle honey on top of the burrata. Then now we add the citrus on top of the burrata. So we have the orange, we have the grapefruit, and then lemon, lime, and also finger lime. And then we finish it with olive oil. And this is the final result. So now let's explain what we have in here. We have the crispy brioche, we have the burrata, and we have the citrus on top and the finger lime. Finish with olive oil.